Original teaching. Experience brings transformation. Family of God. Man cannot imagine the things God has prepared. The angels, which kept not their first estate, but left their own habitation, he has reserved in chains under everlasting darkness. And whosoever doeth not righteousness is not of God. That is, they which are the children of the flesh, they are not the children of God. In this, righteousness, the children of God are manifest, and the children of the devil. There is the spirit, soul, of bondage and fear, and there is the spirit of adoption and love. Nevertheless, the foundation of God standeth sure, having this seal: Jesus knows them that are his. We are of the household of God, built upon the foundation of the apostles and prophets, Jesus being the chief cornerstone, in whom we also are an habitation of God through the Spirit. For as many as are led by the Spirit, they are the children of God. For the Spirit bears witness with our spirit that we are the children of God. While the whole family, in heaven and on earth, is named after the Father, our citizenship is in heaven. Behold, the love of the Father hath bestowed upon us, that we should be called the children of God. And I will be a father unto you, and ye shall be my children, sons and daughters. Jesus tells us, I am the way. No one comes to the Father except through me. And then Jesus goes on to say, Verily I say unto you, whosoever shall not receive the kingdom of God as a little child, he shall not enter therein. That as many as receive him, he gives the power, knowledge, to become the children of God. Yes, in Jesus we are all sons and daughters of God. And because ye are sons and daughters, God hath sent forth the Spirit of his Son into your hearts, souls. Receive the Spirit of adoption as sons and daughters. For the Spirit himself bears witness with our spirit that we are the children of God. The world knows not us, just as it knew Jesus not. Beloved, we are the children of God. While it doeth not appear what we shall be, we know that when Jesus shall appear, we shall see him as he is, and we shall be like him. The one who conquers, Jesus will make him a pillar in the temple of God. For in my Father's house there are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. Therefore, be ye followers of God as beloved children, and walk in love. And the Father will give unto you the Spirit, the wisdom, and revelation in the knowledge of him. Ye are of God, little children, and can overcome them, because greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. The Spirit is life because of righteousness, in whom ye also are builded together for an habitation of God through the Spirit. And neither shall ye die any more, for ye are the angels, the children of God. And so we are no more strangers and foreigners, but fellow citizens of the household of God, having access through Jesus and the Spirit unto the Father. Feed my sheep, gather together the children of God which are scattered in every nation. Please hit the like button and take a moment to subscribe. Thank you. Click this icon to subscribe and then watch this next video, The Window into Soul, or watch this next video, Esoteric Secret. Thank you.